Good evening, everybody. Thank you for joining. This is Sunil from Logic Labs Technologies. I welcome you all to this Python training. Can you hear me? Please confirm in your chat box, please. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your responses. Thank you very much for your confirmations. Thank you very much. Let's stop the chat. Let's stop the chat. It is a record break initiative. I'm very excited with the responses. I just want to show you the number of registrations we have received for Python batch 103. I never expected this. How many participants registered for this Python training? 8,326, my dear friends. Okay, so let's all congratulate ourselves. Thank you. Please respond in the chat box is very important. Let's all congratulate ourselves for this 8,326. It is a record break. This is a record break. I have a 6,200 registrations for my AWS training, probably 1.5 years back. Now this is a record break. I was never expecting this because it's a short notice. We have planned it. I never expected this. Thank you very much. This is all because of your love and affection. Thank you very much. Let's stop the chat. Let's focus on the training as you all know it. Yes. Welcome you all. Welcome you all to this yet another exciting session, exciting batch of day one of Python programming. Okay. So to start with, let's have a quick introduction about myself. I have total 10 years of experience in the IT industry. First 3.5 years of experience, I worked in Oracle applications platform, and then 6.5 years of experience, I worked on AWS, DevOps. As you know, these are all my core technologies. I also have worked on Python programming. I want to provide training on Python. I want to provide training on Python. So because of this, I have initiated this. Thank you for your responses. Okay, this is about quick introduction. I'm based out of Hyderabad. This is a quick introduction about myself. Let's have introduction about the participants. Let's have 1 minute, please. So thank you for your responses. So I think, yes, the Zoom is full. If you have any friends who wants to learn this session, please divert them to YouTube live streaming. Zoom is full now. We have crossed the house full. Okay, so let's have interaction with some of the participants who wants to have a quick introduction about yourself. As you all know, we cannot have introduction about all the participants. Whoever wants to have a quick discussion, please raise your hand. Okay, starting with Mr. Prasad. How are you doing? Welcome to the session.
Hello, sir. Yeah, I'm Raghavendra Prasad.
Hello, Prasad. How are you doing?
Working as a, yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you.
So I was part of your AWS training in 82 batch.
Oh, God.
It was excellent. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So like this Python program also helpful for me. So that's the reason I wanted to take it up.
Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed my AWS training, and I promise you equally enjoy this Python training also. Thank you. May I know your experience?
Yeah, I have 15 years of experience. I work as a test lead in automation department.
Okay.
So yeah, this helps me. Like I started learning AWS DevOps from you, and then this Python also definitely gives value add.
Correct.
Your explanation is superb, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Prasad. Thank you very much. As you know, especially in the IT industry, upgrading skills is something which is very important and a continuous process, isn't it? To make sure that we are our profile is having a cutting edge advantage with respect to other profiles, isn't it? Okay, and especially Python. Python is used everywhere now, isn't it, Prasad? It is used in data science. It is used in automation. It is used in DevOps. It is used in artificial intelligence, machine learning. Across all domains nowadays, Python is preferred programming, isn't it? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Prasad. Yep. Nice to speak to you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. You too. Yeah.
Amena. Leah Katali.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Amena. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, sir. How are you?
I'm doing well. May I know your location, your experience, and why are you planning to learn Python?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have completed my bachelor's in computer engineering, and now I'm planning for masters in data science.
Okay.
That's the reason I'm going for Python.
Good. Yeah, I hope you know Python is used in data science, isn't it?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, I know that.
Thank you very much. You know Python, or is the first time you're learning it?
No, I know the basics of Python, but I want to just master it and polish it up. So I've enrolled
Okay.
this.
Okay. How do you know about this training?
Actually, my father told me, and from my father only I get to know about this. And suddenly I got the message that this is the training, and I enrolled into this today
Okay.
morning. So
Thank
I
you.
think it is a great pleasure to learn from you.
Thank you, Amena. Nice to speak to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
This time, let's have an international participant. Elvis, how are you doing? Chiela Elvis, can you hear me?
Yes, please. Yes, I can get you.
You're getting an echo from your end.
Please let me unmute one of my devices.
I think you are attending from two devices.
Sure. Okay, yes.
Yes, it's clear now.
Yes, I'm called Chila Elvis. It's actually, yeah, I got to know you from one of your videos that I bought. So I really enjoyed it, your DevOps video. So when I got information about this Python class, I said to myself, it's a must attend class for me because I really enjoy your style of teaching.
Thank you, Elvis. Thank you. Why are you planning to learn Python?
Yes, actually, I'm studying DevOps, so I think it's a great tool for me.
Yes, you're right. Okay. Thank you and enjoy the training. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Let's have a couple of interactions and then let's get into the agenda for today's session. Okay. Many people are raising their hands. Let's have a random pickup. Good evening, Pratyusha. How are you doing? Can you hear me? You are on mute again. Could you please unmute and talk? You are on mute, Pratyusha. You have to unmute and talk. Sanjeev Kumar, good evening. How are you doing?
Hey, hi.
Welcome to the meeting, Sanjeev.
Thanks for giving the opportunity. Actually, I'm from Sanjeev. Like, present, I'm working for the MNC company.
Okay.
So I have 5 years experience. My base location is Hyderabad. So I'm following regularly your courses, AWS and DevOps also. Actually, I refer to my friends and my relatives, friends of friends also. You are teaching very good. And right now I'm in DevOps engineering.
You're already in the DevOps platform?
Yes.
Oh, very good.
Yeah. So just I go with like Python for the enhance my skills. Skill set. Yeah. So that's what I joined this call.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I refer to the so many friends and actually the your session is free, right? So this is very good. Actually, so many people are like so many students are not paid to join, right? So
you are
that's
right.
what,
You are right.
yeah.
But Sanjeev, the live training is free, but not the recordings. I hope you know that the formula.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
But it's very nominal. I think anybody can afford it. Yeah. Thank
So
you, Sanjeev. Thank you, and all the best for your DevOps career and happy learning for Python.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. Final call final call before getting on to the today's session. Let's have a final call. Humayun, good evening. How are you?
Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm
Mr.
doing
Sunil?
well, Humayun. Very clear voice. How are you doing? Are we talking for the first time, or do we know each other before?
Yes. I was there for a few days in your DevOps class. Unfortunately, that time was my vacation times, so I was traveling to India. So that's why I
So
missed
how
the
many
class.
sessions you have attended DevOps?
I attended very few, like starting just I think 4 or 5 sessions.
Okay. Your comment
I'm
on the
residing in
DevOps training.
Saudi Arabia, King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals for
Good.
almost 20 years.
Good. Okay. Any
I
specific
know
reason?
Python.
You already know Python.
I know Python. I'm a software developer, database administrator, web developer. I have many things here.
Okay.
So I plan to change my area of interest to DevOps and Python. Recently, I worked on the Python also. I wrote some script.
Okay. Good, Humayun. Okay.
And you are so special. Your classes are so interactive.
Thank you.
That's why I joined.
Thank you to revise your Python skills. Okay. So thank you, Humayun. I am happy to speak to you. Thank you very much. Yes, thank you. So my dear friends, as you know, we cannot speak to all the participants. Our primary agenda is to get into the subject. So without getting delay, let's get into the concepts. Okay. This is our agenda for today. And one more important point: to get the updates about our trainings, our new batches, and few participants are not part of our WhatsApp group. Some of you are still not yet part of the WhatsApp group. To get the information about this ongoing batch, you have to be part of Python batch 103. There are total 30 WhatsApp groups, but few are still not yet part of WhatsApp group. In case if you are not part of the WhatsApp groups of batch number 103, please join the WhatsApp group, which I'm sharing it in the chat box. Okay. In case if the group number 25 is full, please do not join duplicate groups. I'm sure some of you are already in the WhatsApp groups. Okay, so please join any one of the WhatsApp groups. Okay, I'm sharing you a couple of WhatsApp groups. Do not join the duplicate WhatsApp groups. Any one WhatsApp group, please pick up and join so that you get the updates about this particular training. Next point. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please, to get the updates. Okay, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please follow our Facebook page, and please join our Telegram group. Okay, so we are planning for many activities in the upcoming days. Okay, you have to download our mobile app. We have started mobile app. I hope you know it. So for Android users as well as Apple users, we have our Logic Labs Technologies mobile app. These recordings will be available for a nominal cost, and you can access the recordings both from the web as well as from the mobile. I'm sharing you the mobile app links to join. In case if you want to communicate to our organization, our support team, I'm sharing our email address, support@logiclabstech.com for any communication regarding the trainings. Thank you very much. Yes. What's the plan for today? In this session, you'll understand what is Python. Why should we learn a programming language? What level of programming language is Python? The father of Python. Are there any prerequisites? Why is Python very special? Why is the preferred programming language in the current industry right now? We'll also learn how can we install Python into this session. Okay. If you have not installed Python, if you're completely new to Python, I will be clearly explaining you can install Python by yourself using the steps which I'm mentioning now. Okay. And you'll be experiencing this IDLE, Integrated Development Learning Environment. And then straight to the point, you'll be all experiencing the first Python program. Interesting, isn't it? Yes, we are getting into Python. There's no prerequisite first. The first point, I'm very happy to say that Python is very simple. Very simple. Even a school going children can easily understand and write Python programs. It's very, very, if you're afraid of programming, okay, you have to unwind yourself, because Python is very, very simple and very, very easy programming language. Anybody can learn. There is no prerequisite. Okay, so I'm sure you'll enjoy the Python, and I'm sure you'll be expert. This is a training. The target audience is for beginner to medium level. Okay, so if you are beginner in Python, if you have no prior coding experience, no prior programming experience, no problem, you can definitely enjoy Python. There is no prerequisite. You don't need to know basics of Java. You don't need to know how to create variable. You don't need to know C, C++. Nothing is required. You can directly jump into Python. Believe me, definitely you'll enjoy the concept of Python. And I'll make it much more simplified. Python itself is simple, and our style of teaching is always much more simplified. So let's get into the concepts. What is Python? If anybody asks you what is Python, what should be your answer? If anybody asks you what is Python, what should be your answer? Your answer should be Python is a programming language. Okay. If anybody asks you what is Python, your answer should be programming language. Python is a programming language. Not only Python, there are many other programming languages available. One example is what we are learning is Python. We have many other programming languages like Java, JavaScript, C, C++ is also programming language. One of the new programming language which is booming now is Go by Google, C#. These are a few examples of there are many programming languages. So now you know Python is a programming language. Point number 2. Why should we learn programming language? Isn't it? That's most important point. Why should we learn programming language? Okay. So using this programming language like Python, you can develop applications. You can develop applications. You may have questions, Sunil. You said that we can develop applications. Can you give me some examples of an application? Yes, calculator. The best example. We all have calculator, right, in our laptop. Okay. So this is a application. It's a standalone application. So these kind of applications you can build using Python. Look at booking applications like Book My Show, web applications like Facebook. So these kind of applications, Zomato. So these kind of applications you can develop, web applications you can develop using Python. So the main purpose of any programming language is to develop applications. So Python is no different. Okay, so Python is used for building an application. So it's a high-level language. High-level languages are developer friendly. Languages are divided into 2 types. I mean, 3 types in fact: low level, medium level, and high level. And Python is a high level. C, C++, these are all medium level to low level languages, which is very, very difficult for learning. But Python is a high level language. Okay, high level languages are developer friendly. That's what we are all planning to become Python developers. Am I right? Am I right? We are all planning to become Python developers, isn't it? So and high level languages are very, very developer friendly language. So my dear friends, please listen. Please remember that you are learning a language which is very, very developer friendly. So it's a high level language. You can easily, there's no much difficulty in managing the syntaxes. It becomes very, very easy. Okay. So you now know what is Python. Python is a programming language, and you also know what is the use of, why should we learn programming languages? Programming languages are used for developing applications. Okay, perfect. And what level of programming language? It is a high level programming language. C# is also a high level programming language. Java, all these nowadays latest programming languages or high level programming languages, which are very, very developer friendly. Okay. And who is the father of Python? Who is father of Python? Guido van Rossum. Okay, we should always be thankful to him. So he is the man behind Python. So we should always be thankful to him. He's called as father of Python. He's the founder of Python, and he has founded this programming language in the year 1989. Okay. So very old programming language. Okay, it's developed. It's built before Java. Python is much more older than Java. Okay. So it's very old programming language. Nowadays it is very now it has catched up the market now from last, I think so, from last 15 years. Okay, it's ruling the programming language. It's the leading programming language now. Okay, now when Python is preferred programming language, okay, it is having some special features, isn't it? When there are a lot of programming languages, why Python is preferred programming language? It is having some special features, isn't it? So let's have a discussion about features of Python. So why is Python very special? Why is preferred programming language? Okay, let's learn. First, very important point, as I told you, it is very simple and easy to learn. Okay, so it's very simple. So please, okay, please don't think that programming is difficult and you are proven wrong. Python is very, very simple. Okay, so Python is very simple and easy to learn. It's very, very easy to learn. Okay, okay. It's an open source. Okay, it's a free programming language. You don't need to pay for the Python environment. It's an open source Python. It's an open source technology. It's a high level language which is very comfortable for the developer. It's a developer friendly language. It's platform independent. Let's say you have built a Python project which is running on Windows operating system. In future, you want to change your Python application from Windows environment to Linux environment. As simple as that. You have built a Python application which is running on Windows environment. Now client wants to change the environment. They don't want the application to run it on Windows because of some reason. They want to change. They want to run the same application on Linux. Is it possible? Yes, you can change your application to Windows, from Windows to Linux or Solaris or any other operating system. It works. It's platform independent. Okay, one of the most important feature. Next. It's dynamically typed. What does that mean? You may not clearly understand this, especially for beginners. But if you have some experience in programming language, dynamically typed, what does that mean? This means that when you're creating a variable, you don't need to mention the data type of the variable. Okay. So that's called as dynamically typed. The data type stands refers to dynamic data type. So you don't need to mention the data type of a variable. You just need to create a variable. That's it. You don't worry about the data type of variable. Python defines the data type of the variable automatically based on the value which you are storing in that particular variable. Okay, so this is very important feature that makes Python very special. It's a dynamically typed programming language. Okay, if you don't worry. Anyways, all this will be seeing practically. Okay, so Python is having the features of procedure-oriented programming as well as object-oriented programming. Okay, so object-oriented programming is having some special advantages like inheritance, polymorphism. Okay, as well as procedure-oriented programming is also having some advantages. So Python enjoys the advantages of both procedure-oriented and object-oriented. Don't worry about what is procedure-oriented. First point, as you know, for learning technologies, don't worry about the technical jargons. Okay, this is the first thing what I specially tell to the participants who are coming completely new to IT industry. First, you have to be very clear. First, you have to be free from the fear of these technical jargons. Okay, you have to be focused on the practicals. Try to understand the practicals. Once you clearly understand the practicals, automatically these technical jargons will be crystal clear for you. Okay, so it's both procedure. What is procedure oriented? What is object oriented? You'll understand it in the coming classes because we write some functions, we write some methods, and then we create objects in Python. So at that point of time, you'll understand what is object oriented, what is procedure oriented. But we try, as of now, keep in mind that it is both procedure oriented as well as object oriented programming language, and it has an extensive libraries. Python is having tons of libraries, so which has some predefined functionalities, predefined packages to do some predefined activities. So whenever you want a specific function, a specific activity to be done, you can call that particular library and complete that activity. So it has an extensive library, which makes developer very, very friendly. So these are my difference. So these are special features which makes Python very special. So Python is the preferred programming language. If you search in Google, leading programming languages 2022. Python. Python is regarded as a future of programming languages. Okay, so we are learning on-demand programming language. Okay, so top 5. You can see here this website, top 5 programming languages, and number 1 stands for Python. Okay, so Python is preferred. Okay, in-demand language. Can you see Python is in-demand programming language? Okay, perfect. So the widely used programming language is Python now. Okay, because it is used in several domains. Python is easy to use. 10 reasons why Python is best. Why Python is preferred programming language. It's one of the preferred. It's not complicated. It's very simple. It's natural. Okay, so there are many reasons, and you cannot avoid Python. So when it is very simple, let's learn it. Okay, so that's good. So you now know about the features of Python. Very good. What's the prerequisite of Python? I think I already have mentioned, my dear friends, there are no prerequisite. Even though you are zero in coding, even though you are zero in IT industry, even though you do not know anything about programming, that's good. That's good. You are the right person to learn Python. Okay, there is no prerequisite. Anybody, even a 10th class student, a school going student, can easily learn Python. Yes, no doubt. Okay. Okay, so we have discussed about Python. Okay, very good. Perfect. Okay, next. So this is all about theory. So as you all know, we will not much deep dive into theory because our way of learning is completely practical. So why to get delayed? Let's get installed. Let's learn how to install Python on our personal laptop and desktops. Okay, if you're having a laptop and desktop, and if you're very serious in learning Python, so please do not waste your time. So immediately after the session, please follow the steps and then install Python on your personal laptop and enjoy the learning experience. Okay, so before getting into the installation of Python, let's have quick interaction, isn't it? Let's have quick interaction. So many people raising their hands. Okay, let's have quick interaction. Oh my God. Jyoti, can you hear me?
Thank you so much, sir, for giving the opportunity. I'm really so thankful to you.
Thank you.
It's like, it's wonder only, out of 88,000 students, you selected me. I'm so grateful.
Thank you, Jyoti. Okay, yes, your experience and what do you want to talk?
Yes, sir. I took your AWS and DevOps class actually.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, because of few basics of that, I got an opportunity to work in Infosys for Google client.
Wow, congratulations, first of all. Thank you, Jyoti.
Thank you so much, sir. And yeah, now I'm just want to add a skills course. So one of my friend told that you are starting a Python as well. So I
You
was
do not
very
know?
happy.
Are you not in our old WhatsApp groups?
No, I was there only for AWS. So and DevOps. So there was no update on that actually.
Okay, good. So good to know that you got the information about Python.
Thank
Hello? We cannot hear you, Jyoti. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm so grateful and thankful to you, sir. Thank you so much. It's like I'm talking to some celebrities.
Don't make me very special. I'm just like you.
No,
Okay.
seriously, to take this.
Thank you.
I'm so privileged to
Thank you
take.
very much. And I'm sure, I hope you have enjoyed DevOps and AWS in the same way.
Yes, of course, sir.
I'm sure you'll enjoy the Python training also. Is that okay for 4 o'clock? Is that working hours for you? Can you manage?
Yes, sir. It is fine, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jyoti. And if you like this training, please refer our trainings, our upcoming trainings to your friends. Okay.
Definitely, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Okay. Raj Punjabi. Are you from Punjab, Raj?
Hello.
Hi, Raj.
Audible? Yeah. Hello, sir.
Hello.
No, I'm not from Punjab. I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, thanks to you for this opportunity.
Thank you.
Earlier, I was a part of the AWS batch. And also recently, Oracle batch, I was a part of that.
Oh, okay, good. I hope you're enjoying the training.
Yeah, that's why I too much rely on you on your learning.
Thank you, Raj. Thank you very much. Any specific technical question?
Yeah, I have a question. Like earlier, when you are talking about the AWS, there are some certification related with AWS that you need to clear with the AWS platform itself. Do we have also some certification with Python?
Yes, but there is no much importance for Python certification. Only skills are required. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Raj. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's have international participant. Benjamin, how are you doing? What
Hi,
time?
Sunil.
What's time for you now?
It's 7 o'clock here in the morning.
Okay.
Thank you for the opportunity. I'm one of your DevOps guys, and I'm joining because of the way you are teaching. I mean, it's very excellent. My question is, if we want to get the recordings, I went to the mobile app. I didn't see the Python program there. I wanted to buy from the so I just want.
When did you download the mobile app?
It's about 6. I think
okay.
3 months ago. Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you see there is a mobile app link in the chat box? We have posted mobile app link in the chat box. This is a new mobile app. Okay. Please download this new mobile app. We have migrated from the older mobile app to newer mobile app. The reason behind this, the older mobile app is not supporting international payments, whereas the newer mobile app, which I'm just posted you in the chat box, it also supports international payment. So please download the new mobile app and then you can proceed with the formalities. Okay.
All right. Okay.
Anything more, Benjamin? Any technical question?
Oh no,
we have just started, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. I'm sure you'll enjoy the training. Okay.
Yes, of course.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too. Yeah.
Okay, very happy to talk to all our old participants. Okay. So I cannot resist myself. Let's have one more call. Okay, please don't mind. Hey Malata.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Thank you giving for opportunity, sir.
Thank you, Hemalata. How do you know about this training?
Sir, very good opportunity, sir.
Thank you very much. Any specific technical question you're having?
No, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Hemalata. Okay, enjoy the training and please practice whatever we are learning. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Okay, let's move on. The next agenda is to install Python on a personal laptop. Installation of Python is also very easy. Okay, so if you have not installed Python, I recommend you not to do it parallelly. Please focus on the live session, and after the session, you can install Python. Okay, don't do it parallelly. So how can we install Python on our personal laptops or desktop? The website you have to reach is python.org. So in this website, python.org, you'll find a download option, and I want to download and install Python for my Windows operating system. So I'll be selecting download for Windows. Let's do it. As simple and straightforward. Let's go to python.org. Yes, this is the Python organization. It's a non-profit organization. Okay. Go to downloads, and then I want to download Python for Windows. Okay. In case if you are using Mac operating system, you can see we have Mac OS. Okay. If you have any other platforms, you can install on any other platforms. You can install Python for AIX. Okay, for IBM, you can install Python on your mobile phone also, so that you can install Python on Solaris also. But I want to install Python on my personal laptop, and you know my laptop is installed with Windows operating system. So download Python. Okay, so let's go for. Let's go for python.org, go to download section, Python 3.11. So Python comes with 2 releases, just for your information, Python release 2 and Python release 3. So we are learning release 3. In 3, we are learning 3.11. So click on this. So it's an exe file. Please observe, it's an exe file that's getting downloaded. That's good. Let me download it in my downloads folder. So download started. It's a very small file, I think so 30 MB, not more than that. Let's look at that. You can see clearly that today I have downloaded, just now I have downloaded an exe file. That's nothing but a Python software. If you look at the size of this particular file, it's just 23 MB. It's a small file. So it's an exe file. Obviously, when it's an exe file, you install it, isn't it? Let's proceed installation. Double click on this. Install Python 3.11 version, and it is for 64-bit operating system. So okay, so you can install now. You can customize some features. Let's go for install now. And very important point, I got to keep it very important point. Please make sure you select add python.exe to path. Select this checkbox. What does that mean? That means after installation, this python.exe file will be included in the path variable of the Windows operating system environment variable. So that environment variable gets automatically updated. You don't need to manually change the environment variable in the path. So you don't worry about this. Please make sure that you select this checkbox, add python.exe to the path variable, and install now. It just takes less than a minute. Are you sure you want to install Python? Yes. Just 1 or 2 minutes, Python will be ready. Let's wait. For the Python to get installed. Setup was successful. This is the message is what you have to expect. You can clearly see the setup was successful. That means we are done installation of Python. Just click on close. Done. Python is installed. Okay. Okay. So let's close this site, python.org. No more. Okay. So did we install Python? Yes. So I have downloaded Python 3.11. It's an exe file. We already have observed that it's an exe file. It has been downloaded, and run the exe file and make sure you select this checkbox, add python.exe to the path variable and install now. That's all. Python is ready. You may have a question, Sunil, how to confirm whether the Python is successfully installed or not? How can I verify? We have installed Python, so how can we verify whether the Python is installed or not? Yes, you can do that. Open the command prompt. How to open the command prompt? I'll show you. Click on the start button and search for CMD, stands for command. When you search for CMD, command prompt gets open. Okay, this is how you have to open the command prompt. The reason why I'm showing you how to open the command prompt, I hope my target audience can be 0. Okay, that's my target. They want to be professional, software IT industry. So open the command prompt. I already have opened the command prompt. You have to type Python. That's it. If you type Python, you should get this kind of response, Python 3.11. If you're getting this kind of response, that means you have successfully installed Python. Got it? So how to verify, my dear friends, how to verify whether the Python is installed or not? You have to open the command prompt. Let me do it one more time. Let me close the command prompt. So how to verify whether did we successfully install Python or not? Open the command prompt. Okay, you can type CMD, open the command prompt, and then you have to use the word Python. When you use the word Python, you should get this kind of response. When you're getting this kind of response, perfect. This means the Python is successfully installed. Perfect. So you now know how to install Python. So where are we standing in our today's agenda? So we have learned the Python installation. Okay, so we have learned the process of installing Python. Perfect. Okay. One more way to check whether Python is successfully installed or not. One way to verify whether the Python is successfully installed or not, or by opening the command prompt. Just now, as we have seen, by opening the command prompt, you can verify whether the Python is successfully installed or not. This is one way of verifying. There's one more approach where you can check whether Python is successfully installed or not. Okay, so how can you do that? So go to search option and then search for here Python. Okay. So when you search for Python under apps, can you see under apps, you will find Python IDLE. You should get this Python IDE, Python 3.1, so Python module docs. You should get all this. When you're getting all these three options, that means you have successfully installed Python. I want to open Python IDE. Yes. What did I open? I repeat again. What did I open? I opened Python IDLE. Sunil, what do you mean by IDLE? I know you have opened IDLE. Okay. I can see clearly, Sunil, you have opened this IDLE. I can also see this Python IDLE shell 3.11. So Sunil, can you explain what is IDLE and what is the use of this IDLE? Okay, let's learn. Stands for Integrated Development Learning Environment. Okay, Python IDLE stands for Integrated Development Learning Environment. Whenever when you install Python on your personal laptop or desktop, okay, so when you install Python on your personal laptop and desktop, it comes with an environment. You need an environment to write your Python code. You need an environment to write your Python program and see the output, isn't it? You need an environment. That environment is nothing but called as IDLE, Integrated Development Learning Environment. It's a learning environment. This is an environment provided by Python to you so that you can learn. You need an environment to learn, to write your program and run the program to get the outputs, isn't it? You need an environment. That environment is nothing but called as IDLE. These kind of IDLEs are generally called as REPL tools. These integrated development environment are generally called as REPL tools. These kind of tools where it provides a learning environment. Python comes with its own learning environment. PHP comes with its own environment. Every technology is coming with these kind of learning environments. These learning environments are in general called as REPL tools, REPL. What does that stand for? These REPL tools are responsible for, R stands for reading, E stands for evaluating, P stands for printing, and L for looping. These kind of tools, this kind of integrated development environments are generally called as REPL tools. The responsibility of the REPL tool is to read your Python code. So my dear friends, we start writing the Python code. So this kind of integrated development environments are called as REPL tools. These kind of tools are helpful for reading. These tools will read your Python code. You write the code. These tools will read your Python code, evaluate your Python code. That means evaluating is nothing but understand what you want to do, and then it prints the output of your code, and then it loops again. Once the output is printed, it will be ready for reading the next instruction. Okay, so these are called as REPL tool. What are called as REPL tools? These kind of integrated development environments are called as REPL tools. So using these tools, these kind of IDLEs, you can these tools will be ready. This integrated development learning environment is waiting for your Python instructions. It's ready for reading the instructions. Once it reads the instructions, it understands what you want to do, and it prints the output, and it will be ready for the next instruction to get read. So that's it. So what is IDLE? Now you know IDLE is nothing but an integrated environment where you can write your Python code and test and get the outputs of your Python code. Perfect. You know what is Python IDLE. I'm sure you will install Python after this session. Okay. Perfect. So what are you waiting for? Shall we go ahead and write a first program? Yes, why not? Okay. So I want to write a first program. I want to write a first program to display hello world. Okay. So what I want to do, I want to write a program to display hello world. Okay. I have the learning environment ready with me. I have a learning environment. How did I open this integrated learning environment? This is also called as Python shell. This is also called as Python shell. I open one more time. Go to search, type Python. Can you see you get? Can you see we get IDLE? You can see clearly it is IDLE. Open this. You can also very clearly see this is an integrated development environment where you can write your Python programs. You can also increase the font size for better visibility. You can increase the font size for better visibility. Options, configure IDLE. Okay, so this is font 16. I want to make it to Font 20, I want bold font. Perfect. Apply for better readability. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so perfect. So I have opened the integrated development environment. Let me open one more time. Search for Python. Open the integrated development environment. Okay, this is how your ideally tool, or people call it as Python shell. Okay, so let's write a first program to display hello world. Let's write what I want. I want to display hello world in the output. Okay, whenever you want to display some characters on the screen, whenever I want to display some characters, it can be hello world, it can be your name, it can be my name, any name you want to print. You want to display some characters, we have a function called print. What is function? You have to wait for some time to understand function, especially tomorrow. By tomorrow you'll understand what is function, but there is a print function which helps you to print whatever you want. I want to display hello world, so open the brackets and write whatever you want to print. You have to write it in single quotes. That's it. That's it. This one line of code, this is your Python code. This is the first Python code which helps you to print some characters on the screen. I want to print some characters hello world on the screens. Perfect. So let's first write the program. My dear friends, let's first write the program. Let's wait for the output. Once we get the output, then we'll understand what this line about. Okay. So let's do that. Print single quotes hello world. That's it. Okay, this is a one line of Python code. What I want to do, I want to display hello world. Let me check whether it is getting displayed or not. Are you getting the hello world output? Perfect. Yes, we have written our first, we have started learning Python, and you now know how to write a one line of program called print function, which helps you to print some characters on the screen. I want to print my name. I want to print my name. Okay, you can do that. Print, open. I want to print my name. Okay, that's it. Am I getting my name? Yes, perfect. So this is how you can print some characters on the screen. What are the points to learn in your first program? This is what are the points to learn in your first program. Okay. Point number 1. What is print? Sunil, you're using some print. What is print? What is print? Sunil, you're using some print option here. Print, you're using a word called print. What does it mean? Print is a function. First point you have to understand. Print is a function. Function will have some specific activity. So in Python, we have some functions. The first function what we are learning is print. So what is this functionality? What does it do? Every function is having a specific functionality. Print is a function. Print is a function. What it does do, it will print some characters on the screen. I want to print some characters, so you have to use print function. So whenever you want to print some characters on the screen, now you know that you have to use a function that is called as print. Every function will have brackets, opening brackets and closing brackets. Keep that in mind. Is the print function having brackets? Tell me, is the print function having brackets? Yes or no? Yes, it is having brackets. So every function will have a brackets. So print function is also having brackets. So remember, if you're finding something in brackets, that means it's a function. You are intelligent, you are clever. Now you are able to clearly understand what is a function. You have to say, if you're finding something, a value, a word followed with the brackets, that means it's a function. Okay, so print is a function which will print some characters on the screen. And what characters you want to print, you have to provide that as an input to the function. Okay, so I want to print my name, so use print, and you have to input and I want to print my name, so I'm writing it as Sunil. So you have to pass the value to the function. That function will take your value and it will perform its activity. Its activity is to display some characters on the screen. Yes, I repeat again, print some characters I am printing. So what is print? Print is a function. What it takes some input. You have passed the input. What input you're passing these words as an input. And what is the response? It prints, it is doing its functionality. It is printing some characters on the screen. And very important observation, I think you have already observed. So whatever you want to pass the value you want to print it, you have to mention it in single quotes. That's a syntax. Have you observed? I'm passing hello world in single quotes. I'm passing Sunil in single quotes. I'm passing some set of characters on the single quote. So I hope you now know that whatever the characters you want to print on the screen, you have to pass it in single quotes. Perfect. So you already started learning functions. Okay, you know what is ideally. What is ideal? Integrated development environments are nothing but called as REPL tools, which will read your Python code, evaluate your Python code. You can see this is reading your Python code, understands what you want to do, and printing some characters and getting ready for your next instructions. Perfect. So we have started and we have completed our first Python program. Once you're done writing the program, close the environment. How do you close the environment? By using this exit. You can close the environment by using exit. I have a question for you, my dear friend. I have a question for you. What is exit? You are right. What is print? Print is a function. How do you identify anything which is opening the brackets and closing the brackets is a function? Exit is also a function of Python. What it does, what is the functionality of exit? It closes the environment. It closes the ideal environment. So I'm writing exit because I want to close the environment. So it is asking you, program is still learning. That means ideally tool is still learning, but still you want to kill and close the environment. Yes. So that's the functionality of exit. So second function, what we have learned is exit. What exit is doing, it is killing the integrated development and learning environments and closing that particular environment. This is also what? This is also a function. So Sunil, how did you identify whether it's a function or not? You're opening the brackets and closing the brackets, like write print. Perfect. My dear friends, are you enjoying the session? Are you enjoying the first session? If yes, please type yes in the chat box. Tell me Python, is it easy or not? Tell me, please respond in the chat box. Is it easy or not? It's really easy. Tell me Python installation is easy or not? Yes. It's easy. Look at the responses. So is the first program very simple or not? In fact, first program will be simple. Second program will be simple. 100th program will also be very simple. You have to be focused, and it is very simple. It's not like Java. I think you have worried by looking at the Java code. It's not at all like Java. It's very, very simple, and we are there. Logic Labs technology is always there to make technology very simplified and easy to understand. It penetrates to your mind. Take the advantage of the recorded sessions. My dear friends, let's respond in the chat box. Thank you. Let's stop the chat. Thank you very much. Let us stop. Okay. Let's stop. Okay, perfect. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed this. Did we meet our agenda? Did we meet our today's agenda? Yes, you now know what is Python. Python is a programming language. This programming language is used for developing applications, and Python is a high-level programming language which is very comfortable for developers. And Guido van Rossum, hats off, he has developed the language called Python in the year 1981. There are no prerequisites. You know 5 features of Python. It is platform independent, dynamically typed. It is both object oriented as well as procedure oriented. It is very simple and easy to learn. It's a natural language. It's a free flow language. It's a free flow. What do you mean by free flow language? I'll just want to tell you. Let me open one more time environment. Python integrated development environment. Okay, look at this. I think the code is already ready. This is the code to print hello world, right? This is the code to print my name. And look at this. Print hello world. It's a free flow language. You can give spaces. Don't think that you should not give spaces. You can give spaces, my dear friends. It's up to you. Don't think that we should not give spaces. Okay, so we will generally come with mental fixatures. You have to come out of the print. Open the brackets. I'm giving some additional spaces, and then I'm printing my name. Will it work? And I'm giving some spaces. So is it giving an error? No, it's a free flow language. I'm giving some 1 space. You can give some 10 spaces. So it's a free flow language. Don't think that you should not give spaces or something like that. Okay, so it's a free flow language. And okay, so and what's the prerequisite? There's no prerequisite, and we have learned the installation of Python. When you install Python, it comes with an integrated development learning environment. You can write the programs in learning environment. In fact, you can write the programs in the command prompt also. I hope you remember this integrated development environment. You can open it from here. Okay, so or you can open it from the command prompt also. How to check? We have verified how to check Python installation is successful or not by going to command prompt. And when you type Python, what happens? Please observe. When you type Python, again the 3 arrow marks gets initialized. That means the environment is ready now. The same command, print hello all. Is it getting a response? Yes, the same environment is available still. It's integrated. It's part of command prompt now. So when you write Python, the environment gets activated. You can also use this command prompt equally like the integrated development environments. Exit. What is exit? is a function. You're coming out of the command prompt. You're coming out of the environment. So exit is also a function which has a specific functionality. It comes out of the environment. One more time exit to close the command prompt. So my dear friends, I hope you have enjoyed the training. So we meet our agenda. Okay, so we have learned our first program. Okay, so I hope we have before closing. Okay, before closing, let's have interaction again before closing. Okay. Sai Kumar, how are you? Mr. Sai Kumar, can you hear me?
Hello, Sunil.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good, Sunil.
How is today's class?
It was excellent.
You know Python before, is the first time you're learning?
No, this is the first time I'm learning Python. And your teaching skills was unbelievable.
Do you may know your experience?
I'm an Azure admin. I have 2 years of experience.
Azure, Microsoft Azure.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm working in infrastructure as a service. I'm actually.
Wow, very good. Yeah. Why are you planning to learn Python?
Actually, just want to move into the DevOps. Okay, so I think Python will
useful in DevOps.
Yeah, so that's why. Actually, I got a message. I think I'm already in a part of your WhatsApp group. Okay, so I got intimation. So that's why I'm planning today.
Thank you, Sai. Thank you very much for your feedback. Okay, I'm sure you'll enjoy the rest of the training also. Okay.
Sure,
okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So my dear friends, I just want to inform, I forgot to inform, the live training is absolutely free. What is the duration of the training? I want to show you the course content also. I think few of you have some question. I mean, want to look at the course content. Anyways, this particular course content is available in the WhatsApp group description. So this is approximately 30 days and it will be daily 1 hour. Okay. So you'll understand language fundamentals. You discuss about operators, input, output statements, Python flow, everything related to programming, Python string, Python data structures, Python functions. We already have learned the first function print, Python modules, Python packages, Python object-oriented programming concepts, Python exception handling, Python logging, Python file handling, Python decorators, Python generators, and we'll be concluding. So this is the course which I've designed approximately for 30 days. Okay. And the live training is absolutely free. You will be not asked for any payment. You can enjoy the live training, but not the recordings. But if you want to get the recordings, you have to pay a nominal price of 1,000 rupees plus GST, approximately 1,100 to get the complete 30 days of training. You get the day-to-day training recordings available in your mobile app. And one more information, we are starting Microsoft Azure batch today. Okay, so Microsoft Azure batch we are starting today at evening, I think so it's 8 p.m. Okay, so please stay tuned in our website, in our WhatsApp group, or you can also send an email to support if you want more information about this Microsoft Azure training. Okay, okay, thank you very much. Final call. Muhammad Akhtar, how are you? Good evening. How are you, Akhtar? We cannot hear you. Please check your mic settings. Finishing words with my God. Ida Bongo Awa. Can you hear me? How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Sunil. Thank you. Can you hear me?
Yes, it's very clear. How are you doing? Thank you very much.
I'm doing great. Thanks for these classes. My question goes forth. I already had Python 3.10.8 installed. And this is the actualized version with some new features. Will it be okay for me to continue with that, or is an update necessary?
You don't need to update it. All our programs will equally run in your older version also. Okay, so don't disturb the configurations. Please proceed with 3.8. Okay.
Thank you so much. Yes,
thank you very much. So my dear friends, I hope you have enjoyed the training. Thank you very much for joining. See you tomorrow at same time, same meeting link. Meeting link will never change. As you know, please stay tuned for tomorrow, where we learn much more in details about getting into more details about the Python variables, how can we use operators, and much more information about functions. Thank you very much. Have a good time.